I'd like to welcome all of you to my series, You've Been Found Guilty, Now What? Specifically to my new listeners, welcome, as well as welcoming back all of you who have supported my efforts. And for those of you who are facing your federal prison sentence, know that you're going to make it through. But as I've said all along, there are steps you can follow that will put you in a better place for your sentencing hearing. We're going to be speaking about today the Statement of Reasons. And the Statement of Reasons is a document that the judge uses to explain why he is making the sentence that he does. If there's a mistake in the pre-sentencing report, which is the second most important document in your life, the Statement of Reasons takes precedence. It can correct the mistake in the pre-sentence report and allow a recommendation by the judge for programming as in RDAP or as in allowing you into a specific medical care type program. So here we go. The Statement of Reasons, as we suggested, documents the reason why the judge made his decision on sentencing. The Bureau of Prisons places more importance actually on the Statement of Reasons than on the pre-sentence report. And the pre-sentence report to review, you've been indicted. The court, then their representative, is going to connect with you through your attorney, and the probation officer is going to come and do a pre-sentence interview with you. Hopefully, you've been prepared for the pre-sentence interview, and after the pre-sentence interview, the probation officer is going to do their due diligence investigation, and following that, they're going to draft the pre-sentence report. With the pre-sentence report, they can then make a recommendation to the judge regarding your placement and sentence. So it's imperative that you're prepared for the pre-sentence interview because it will determine your future as it will be documented in the pre-sentence report. So to continue, the Statement of Reasons or the pre-sentence report can provide this pathway for either programming, RDAP, or early release. The Bureau of Prisons can use it. They'll place you or designate you into a specific program based on the pre-sentence report. But the Statement of Reasons from the judge, if the pre-sentence report is inaccurate, can override it. So your need for preparation for the pre-sentence interview, be prepared as your life depends on it because it's your future. As I've said, the PSI or pre-sentence interview is done by probation and is then drafted into the official pre-sentence report. It does determine your immediate future. Probation, they also are allowed, and they sometimes make the sentencing and placement recommendations to the judge based on the information they got from you through the pre-sentence interview. An inaccurate pre-sentence interview produces an inaccurate pre-sentence report and will follow you. If caught, it can be corrected with the help of the judge through the Statement of Reasons. But if the inaccurate pre-sentence report is not caught, the judge is going to sentence you. The Bureau of Prisons will place or designate you into a prison which controls you for the remainder of your time incarcerated. It's then used by case managers that will profile you as to the severity of your crime. Counselors will determine your visits. Educational individuals will determine what programs you need. Psychologists will do the same. Medical will hopefully have already determined your care level along with your medication availability if that's applicable. Probation will then use it during your supervised release. Last, it stays on your record for life. And so you truly see that's the gift that keeps on giving. This is why I say get it right the first time, because there are no redos. Next, should you have any questions, feel free to share this with those that are close to you, or you feel there's a need. You can email me. Phone number there is right there. Please feel free to call me. You can Google search me. I've been published. You can find the article. And I hope you found this all helpful. Hope you have a good day.